Today, thousands of mortgage professionals just like you are already using BombBomb. Why? Well, you know you can't always win business on your rate alone. Your clients and your referral partners choose you for your ability to convey trust, build a relationship with them, and convince them they'll be in good hands with you. You've got to convey your value quickly and early on to consistently win business. This means also delivering on their privacy and security expectations, because often the messages you send contain personal information and need to remain confidential. With BombBomb, you can now add password protection to any of your videos to prevent unauthorized access to your messages. With password protection, you can give your clients clear expectations on any documents so that they understand the mortgage process without worrying about any unintended views. Here's how it works. Just head over to your Videos tab, click on the share icon next to the video you'd like to protect with a password. Scroll down to Privacy Settings, select Link and Email to allow anyone with the video link to view your message, Lock Video to make your video accessible only to you, or Password Protection to ensure the video is only visible to people with the password you create. If you selected Password Protection, enter the password you want to use for the selected video and click Update. With BombBomb, you can use video to show your clients the human being behind the rate and convey the trust, confidence, and helpfulness that sets you apart. Deliver a great customer experience that helps you connect while also protecting your client's information with BombBomb password protected videos.